Hi everyone, my name is Anne-Marie. Welcome to this CUP TV brought to you by craftshoeprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at a kit by Nadege Burness. The CUP number is 919-197_20051. It's called a Christmas Chapel card front and decoupage. You get 4 sheets and you get lots of embellishments in it. I'm going to run through the 4 sheets that you get and then we'll make something gorgeous from the kit. So the first sheet that you get is the base image for the base card, and this is the Christmas Chapel, and it's got the sentiment on at the bottom. You also get extra sentiments and baubles and some little crystals as well for decorating your card. The next sheet is the actual decoupage front that is smaller than the main image that you would build up and then build up the chapel circles to get the height on your card using foam pads or silicone glue. The third sheet is the chapel with no decorations for you to be able to add your own decorations from the embellishments included, and there's no sentiment on it either, so you'll be able to play with that and have fun adding your glitter to the decorations, etc., and building up the decoupage. And then the last sheet is the insert sheet, and then there's some extra panels as well to use for tags or embellishments. So we're going to make up the card, and we're going to be using the base card of an 8x8 inch card. Now I've already gone ahead and I've added one of the panels on the back of the card, just because I think they just give a finished look to a card. And now when you go into a card shop, I've said this before, you go into a card shop and you pick a card up and it's 9 times out of 10 got the mini image that's on the front of the card, it's on the back of the card. So I just think it finishes the cards off perfectly. I've cut out the insert to fit the inside of my card, and I've got flat tape on the back of it, so I'm simply going to peel the tape away and then add the insert into my card. Oops, just turn that tape over and pop it in. There we go. Press it down, and there's enough nice clear area to write your message, and it's going to match perfectly to the front of the card. So now the front of the card, we've got the base image that I'm going to add, and I've trimmed it just slightly to fit my card, because mine was just a little bit smaller than the 8x8. So I'm peeling the back of the tape away, and then I can add this as the base image to my card, and then we can build up the decoupage and make it our own, as it were. So that's our first layer on our card. Next we have the full layer with the cutout at the top and the section at the bottom. I've put it on 3D foam, and I'm simply just going to attach that over the previous layer and marry the layers up like that. Then where Nadege has included the 2 circles to build up the centre, I've added them on 3D foam, and then the second circle that's slightly smaller, I've just added a little bit of translucent glitter. I don't know if we're picking that up. Just on the roof of the chapel, little bit on the snow in front, just to give a little bit of effect. And that was on 3D foam as well. So then I can start adding my extra embellishments. And what I've done is I've cut out the 2 gold baubles just at the ends, and I've added them on 3D foam, and I'm going to just simply add the image over the bauble underneath, and then I've cut out a sentiment, and I've stuck with the same sentiment that's on the card front. I've added that on 3D foam, and then a couple of the little jewels that Nadege has designed, and I've put clear crystal lacquer just over the top of them to give them a little bit of an effect, and it just glints in the light. And I'm just adding them around the design like that. And then to finish off the card, I've got a little gold bow that I'm just going to add above the circle. And that is our card finished. You can see how the little jewels just catch the light because of that crystal lacquer. I've used glossy accents on those to get that finish. And there's the glitter on the snow, and it just all matches in perfectly. And we've got the back of the card. You see how it just finishes it off. And that kit is cup number 919197_20051. So please check out Nadege's designs. There's plenty more on Craft Shoe Print to find, and I just hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching, and we shall see you next time.